If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. Alright, so 11 February, we're near 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day as well. Alright, so the D, moved to the downside from the bad pattern because this is just a continuation video of that bad pattern that we talked about. Bringing in the pattern again, X, A, B, C, and this is probably the end of the D, because right now what you're printing in for Bitcoin is something super awesome. Okay, first of all, Bitcoin is bottoming out at this point, number one. Number two, you have a bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. So basically this is where the end of that D correction is going to move. Now guess what, this is a bullish pattern. All of this thing is bullish and it's actually meant to go back up to 24,000 and even cross 24,000 and go to 25,000 and potentially continue all the way up to 27,000. So look at this. Number one, here we are. We went to this one support and you made a double bottom on the RSI. Pretty clear. So the double bottom on the RSI is actually very clear right there. And then you do have this move to the downside. You have lower lows right over here and you're making higher highs right over there. So you can see that you do have a bullish divergence and potentially this is making it to be the end of the correction potentially. And from here you bottom out with the D, move to the downside of the bad pattern, and from here you slowly start to go back up to even $24,000 and cross $24,000. And I do think we're going to be doing $27,000 at least, because that's a technical target again. So where does 27,000 come from? So let's go back to the daily and we're going to look at the daily time frame. So here we are. And this is, you're some sort of a flag right over there. So this is your flag, something like that, and you broke out of the flag and the flag is in place. So if you take the top to the bottom of that flag like that, then you're looking for Bitcoin to basically move up to $27,000. Now how you go there really depends. Okay, now going up like this and coming down is fine. There's no big deal. And it's actually a healthy way of coming down, taking stop losses, and then move back up to the upside. So don't get bearish anytime soon. And what I want to see for Bitcoin, and imagine if you do go to $27,000, then you're talking about 24.53% move to the upside. Okay, that's where we're looking for Bitcoin to basically push. That's massive and gigantic for, not gigantic, but real big. It's actually big for the altcoins, right? Altcoins are going to go flying out the window to the moon, whichever altcoin we can talk about basically. Now, is that all about this update? That's all about this update, and that's pretty much it as well. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.